Welcome to the channel, everyone. Model Car Guy Rich here. Today I've got a surprise unboxing. This was a Father's Day gift sent to me by my daughter, and I have no idea what's inside. So we're going to open it together and see what's going on. I'm really excited. I mean, it sounds like a model kit, but you know, I could be wrong. But she said it was okay to open it on the channel, so I guess that'll work. Alright. You feel the suspense? Here we go, guys. Ready? Can't really tell what it is. Let's see, it's wrapped up nice. Wherever it came from. Oh! Oh, awesome, guys, check it out. Oh my gosh, thank you so much, honey. That is awesome. This is one of my holy grails. I have wanted this kit for years and years and years, and I've seen it a couple of times, but didn't have time to actually pick it up. And I finally have it. That's awesome. I'm so happy with this. Alrighty, so in the future we're going to have a nice unboxing to do. And boy, I'm really hoping these white stripes are a decal, because what a pain in the butt that would be to tape it off and paint it. Alrighty, well there you go, guys. That's the Revell Starsky & Hutch Ford Torino. It is kit number 85-4023, skill level 4, 125 scale, and this kit was released in 2016. Yeah, 10 years ago. Interesting. I'll stick a picture here or here, wherever, when the original version came out. I don't even know. I'll have to check that out. So alrighty, guys, that was a quick one. I thank you so much, and thank you to my daughter. That was an awesome gift. I appreciate it. And I will see you guys on the next one. Thanks for stopping by. Model Car Guy Rich out. Keep on modeling.